In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable NordVPN's built-in security protections. Start by launching the NordVPN app on your computer. Give it a moment to load and make sure you're signed in and on the main dashboard. From here, look to the left-hand menu and click the shield icon. That opens the settings area where NordVPN keeps its security tools. We'll turn on a few key protections and quickly explain what each one does so you know exactly why you're enabling it. First, toggle on the malicious website blocker. This feature helps keep you away from dangerous sites by checking websites against known threat lists. If you accidentally click a bad link, NordVPN can block the connection before the page even loads, which is a simple but powerful layer of protection. Next, enable the ad and tracker blocker. This reduces annoying ads and helps limit online tracking that follows you across sites. It can make pages load faster and cut down on the amount of data analytics companies collect about your browsing habits. Now turn on the anti-malware option. This scans downloads to help catch threats before they reach your system. For full protection, it uses a cloud-based scanner. When you enable it, you may see a prompt asking for permission to access downloads or to allow additional system-level scanning. Approve those prompts so the scanner can do its job properly. If you skip the permissions, the feature won't be able to analyze files as thoroughly. Enable email protection as well. This scans links in your emails for potential threats, adding an extra safety net if you're unsure about a message. It's especially helpful against phishing attempts where a single mistaken click can cause problems. Finally, turn on the crypto wallet checker. If you ever interact with cryptocurrency addresses, this tool can flag known fraudulent addresses before you send funds. It's a small step that can prevent expensive mistakes. As you enable each feature, watch for any pop-ups or alerts and follow the prompts. On some systems, you might need to grant network or notification permissions, or you may be asked to restart the app for changes to take effect. If a toggle doesn't stay on, try relaunching the app or checking your operating system's security settings to ensure NordVPN has the access it needs. That's it. With these protections enabled, NordVPN can help block malicious sites, reduce tracking and ads, scan downloads, safeguard email links, and warn you about risky crypto addresses, all running quietly in the background while you browse.